Hello, here we are again. One more land for sale in area Nisici. Cheap land for sale. 11,000 square meter. Combination of land and forest. Like you can see, a really beautiful area to make some house for the rest and things like that. Like you can see, really quiet environment, fresh air and things like that. So this is really for enjoy in your time with your family and friends. This area is known like really fresh and good air for the health. If anybody have problems with health, this area is really good. This cheap land in Nisici is 11,000 square meter. Like you can see, it is on the road, so there is no problem to access. Really good area. Here 11,000 square meters combination, like I said, of forest and land. For your future weekend house or something like that, or to make some chalets or something like that. Really nice area with fresh air, and like you can see here, there is weekend houses also. So this is really a nice area for buy and to make something amazing here. 11,000 square meter for sale in Nisici. Cheap land in Nisici for sale. 40 minutes from airport in Sarajevo. This is for you. Subscribe down to see more videos, more cheap lands and more good lands. And all lands what I'm selling are 100% clear with papers and things like that. So this is a really good area for weekend house, for enjoy. Subscribe. See you again. Bye bye.